This guy bought this meme coin for $149 and made a profit of $130k. This guy bought a meme coin for $43k and made a profit of $121k. And this bought for 82k and made a profit of $102k. As you can see, these are tons and masses of profit, massive profit that these people made by simply trading meme coin. And you and I can also make this kind of money from trading meme coin if only you will settle down, list, listen, and learn how to trade meme coin, learn how this particularly works. Meme coin trading is quite risky, I know, but you can make ton of profits from it if you know the right thing to do. And in this video, I'm teaching you guys all of these things right here in this video. Before we get right in, please do to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. The first lesson I'm talking about is getting in early. Getting in early simply means you get into the main coin, buying the coin when it is really, really very early. At this early stage, this particular coin, when this coin was listed, let me look for a good example. When this particular coin was listed, you can see that it was listed or launched as working market cap. It rose to over 4 million market cap and then it slowly dies down. For most persons, they would like to get to the coin when the coin has died down, when all the hype has died. No, the best way to enter into a meme coin or to buy a meme coin is at this early stage. At this early stage where a lot of people are talking about it on Twitter, where the developers are doing marketing, talking about it in Twitter, Telegram, Discord. This is the best stage you should enter into the meme coin. And as the price is going up, you should do what? You should be what? Collecting profit as the price is going up. Collecting profit as the price is going up. Once the price has gotten to its peak, we can't really tell the time that the price is going to get to the peak of it, we can't tell. But the best thing is if you get to a meme coin early, very early, when it was at lower market cap, as it is increasing, you're making 2x, two times of your profit, three times of what you invested. You take it from alongside it gets to the top. So once it gets to the top, once it goes to the top, the coin slowly dies down. As you can see that this particular token what dies down and the volume reduces. Get so the reason why you should get in at this early stage, it is at this early stage that investors are getting into the coin. It is at this early stage that snipers are getting into the coin, that traders and those who does not even know what to do are getting to the coin. A lot of volume going on at this particular stage. So at this stage, the price of the coin is going to increase. And if you get in at this stage, you're going to make tons of money off the market by simply getting in at this particular stage. Also, if you take a look at this, you see that when the particular coin goes to the top, you can see the coin slowly dies down. And slowly dies down, this coin is going to zero. The same for all meme coin. All meme coin will surely rose to the peak and then slowly dies down because people will stop talking about it. The thing about getting to a meme coin very early is at this early stage, the value of getting in this at this early stage is where most scams and most rocks things to happen. I mean something like this. You can see this particular coin. This coin, when this coin was launched, it grew to 8 million market cap, and the next thing you know, the liquidity was removed, and a lot of people lost money on this coin. You can see people are still buying. Okay, people didn't, no, people are not buying the coin. You can see the liquidity was removed. You get liquidity was removed. Now, how do you know if a new coin will be rock? You get before I saw this particular coin earlier, and when I checked, how I was seeing was lots of buys. You get, I was seeing lots of buys going into this particular coin without no say. You get, you can see buys, 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 and there are people like traders like me and you who doesn't know these things. They also bought this particular coin, and the liquidity was removed. You can see if you look at the chart, you check the transaction, you see that a lot of buys are going into it, and without no say, you should be scared. And if I check, I click on this, you get I click on these makers for me to see what this wallet was doing. You can see this wallet actually was buying in almost everything. It was buying the coin, and before you know it, it was part of the developers, people that created the coin. Before you know it, they sold the coin back. They sold the coin, and all those who bought the coin lost money. And if you look at the chart very well, if I put this in full screen. The set I want to show you guys, put this in full screen and put it in 1 second. I'm going to see the where the chart is. If you see, you can see the chart. The chart was just going up. I mean, zoom this. You can see what I'm talking about. The chart was just going up diagonally. You can see the guy will buy to this extent. Once it gets to 10 million, close to 10 million, okay, he will say, and the guy will see buy it. Once it gets to 10 market cap, say. So the next time you're choosing meme coin, and you see that a particular wallet or you're just seeing buys coming in without no say, you should want to know that this particular token, you get this particular token is probably a rock they're going to rock. You get if you check, there's one wallet that was simply doing this. Some group of wallets were the ones doing these buys that was coming in. There was a lot of buys, so you should simply go on that this will be a scam. And also, there's one boot I'm going to share to you guys. It's called TTL boot. This boot is very important. Yeah, with this boot, you can really tell if a coin will be rock or not. You can see the bread token. I checked it already where to continue the token, and it told me multiple metadata means that this particular coin can changes can be made to it is not locked completely. You get, and when I checked this, I saw this, I simply exempt, like I just rest because first I've seen two of which is the first one was that one particular wallet or group of persons were buying this particular coin without nobody selling, and the second thing was the multiple metadata. You can see right here when they have but like I've put in transaction, people who don't know about this buy this particular coin, they move the liquidity and they made away with 77. So as you can see. So this is the disadvantage of you buying a coin very early. You get buying a coin very early. But then if you know what to do, you can easily do what? You can easily avoid these rocks you get and get to buy the lucky ones, the ones that do very well in their first hours or in the first uh and you get to if you know what to do, you can easily n- if you know what to do, you can easily get note of these rugs and avoid buying rugs you get. So this will actually prevent you from losing money. So also, most persons, what they want to do is that once they buy meme coin, they are hoping that if the meme coin volume dies down, the buyer automatically put that the coin will pump. You get it is just few coins that will get to pump after the coin dies down, no matter how big the coin is. And this particular coin rose to 54 million market cap, and you can see it dies down, no volumes again. You get so one important indicator you should look at if buying meme coin is the volume bar, which is this volume bar below. I'm trying to zoom this. As you can see right here, when volume started coming in, you get volume means people putting into this project. You can see that the price increases, and at this rate, you are seeing no volume, which means that people are not putting up into this particular coin. So what you should do is simply move on, go look for new coins to buy. Before this coin will pump again, coin market cap is 8 million. Before this coin will pump again to let's say 10 million market cap or 20 million market cap, it's going to take a whole lot of time, a whole lot of promotion again because most places have made profit of this particular coin and they have moved on. So what I'm letting you know that try to get into a coin very early, take profit along the way and set off. Once the coin start dying down or say equal like this, you shouldn't bother getting in again because people have taken profits off the coin already and you should move on. Second thing you should always check for before buying into any meme coin. Check to see the app socials, website, Twitter and Telegram. Or website and Twitter is more important because most scams they don't often have website or Twitter because the developers is so aim is to scam the community so they don't bother creating website or Twitter page. You get having a website Twitter page, especially website, actually takes time to build. So if you see a particular token as website, it really shows that this dev wants this particular coin to do very well. So most time you can create the website to see the to check website art, you get if it is actually something you can resonate with, or if it is actually fun. But having a website actually shows that this particular project is going to do very well. So the more sophisticated the website is, it means that the tendency for the particular coin is going to do really well, but not at all times. But for most new coins, if I click on here and I click on new page, for most new coins, just because the coin is being listed and immediately, sometimes if I use this H to sort it, I see a coin has been listed in the next just 2 minutes or 5 minutes ago. Example, this particular one. So because the coin be listed immediately, maybe that the developers are still working on the coin you get, and the website is going to show later on. Or sometimes before this screen, we have to display the website and social of this particular project. They have to pay the screener you get. So if what you should also do is look into the website. And say this website is just about what I think about the developers who that build this particular project. So as you can see they have a good website. I think it's like a portfolio website or something like this on GitHub, or at least they have a website which is much better. Then after checking if the website, the next thing you should do is what? See if this liquidity is actually locked. Again, so you must copy this contract address, come over to Telegram and use this bot detail. But this is one of the best bots that you can use to easily avoid rocks and scams. So if you pay this A on this particular bot, it's going to run a check on it. As you can see, it has shown that liquidity is 100% burnt. It is not meetable, and the top 10 orders are already 29%, which is very good. So this is actually a very good coin that you can probably buy into. The next thing is what is for you to look for entry gate. However, the next thing is to look for entry ways that you can use to buy the coin, and then they still volume in this particular coin. So to do this, you can just take it to 1 second, take it to 1 second, put it out in full screen, and from here you can simply look at where the project has gone to before and now it is done. So I think it has gone to over 144.80 market cap and it's down to like 40K market cap again. So if you're to enter, I think this is actually a very good time for you to buy into this particular coin, right? Buy into this one because it's down to 1K market cap at this particular place. A very good time, but then you have to wait, see some momentum, some bullish candle before buying. As you can see, volume, there's no volume. Again, volume is very, which means that people are not putting more into the particular coin. You have to wait. If you see some green candles, you see some green candles going up like this, going up. Again, if it's just any green candles, then you should probably buy into it. Right now, I won't advise. Might be that this coin is done yet. We don't know yet. You can't really tell. But if the coin is still going to go up, this is the right time for it to enter. So you just have to keep on wait. Once you see bullish candles, you buy into this particular coin. So guys, basically this I can actually trade this get because there's a lot of sales going on in this particular project. You get a lot of sales going on. Maybe that this project is done and was created 8 minutes ago. Other things you could check for is Twitter. You get if a coin is trending on Twitter, it means that that particular coin is going to do very well if it's trending on Twitter. So oftentimes you can come to this place and tap on search on Twitter. You can see there are people talking about this particular project on Twitter. This guy posted about it 4 minutes ago. So which means that this is a potential coin that is going to do really well. So as you can see people talking about it again. So if people are posting about a token on Twitter that showing it means that this coin will do well. So this is a potential coin that you can probably buy and make profit off it. But as you can see again, right now there are some buys coming to this particular coin. You can simply buy it, wait, once it pump, you take profit and off you go. The other things I want to talk about is on desk screener. You should know that on desk screener There are different chains. We have Solana, ETH, Base, BNB, SU, and Abstract, and other chains you get. So each of these chains has their own different meme coin that is being listed under these chains you get. So most people actually trade Solana meme coin because Solana meme coin is where most traders do trade. It has a lot of volumes you get, and there are multiple coins which created on Solana every single day. The gas fee is very low. That's why most people trade. But talks about Solana meme coin, there is Ethereum, Base, and all of that. So if you understand Ethereum, if you understand Ethereum chain very well, you can start to trade Ethereum chain you get. In Ethereum meme coins, rocks and scam is not that much because Ethereum the gas fee is very high. Gas fee in Ethereum is very high. Again, before you could carry out a rock, the first be making will reduce compared to on Solana. You understand? So Ethereum gas fee is very reduced, but it is that there's less volumes. Yeah, there's less trading volume in Ethereum, and same thing applies to others. There's less volumes. Also, on this screen, and there's filters. Again, you can make use of filters. And this one you can see filters. You can make use of filters to filter out coins. So if you are trading coin, let us come over to the screen now. You can see tap on Solana. Then you can still put in gainers and losers. Gainers and losers to see the coins that have been making waves in the past 1 hour or the past 5 minutes. You can use age to sort that, and you can see coins that have been going up in the last 1 hour, which is this particular one. So from here, you can start doing your analysis by opening it up using TTF to check if liquidity is locked. Then check if it has website, it has Twitter. Then looking for entry that you could use to simply get into the trade and buy and sell. Yet you should know, don't hold meme coin for too long. Meme coins are not utility coins, they don't have value. All you need to do is buy into the coin when it is still very early, when there's a lot of hype around it. Yet once hype starts dying down, or if you have made good profit, like two times of your profit of your investment, three times of your investment, sell off the coin, go out, look for other coins. Yeah, this is what most people do until they make money. If you hold the coin for too long, you become bag holders. You get, for example, there are people right here that when this coin pumps, you get people who bought very early and they're still holding back, they're unable to sell, lost their money. Again, most of these coins, people who did not sell early, they keep on holding back when the coin has died. Then so you don't become a back holder, you get simply do what? Simply buy. Once you make your profit, sell off and move. You will go and look for other coins that you can buy and make money off. So guys, this is how memecoin works. And if you found it helpful, don't to like, subscribe, turn the bell icon, and join my Telegram and WhatsApp community. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.